Hello guys, we are in the middle of full UniFi deployment for the studio. It's a video production facility, and we received multiple questions regarding UniFi door access control system. People ask us to share more insights, like what type of locks we are using for the different doors, and basically share more insights and our experience how to electrify particular doors. So in this facility, we're doing multiple doors, and few of those doors is like on the right, left, straight. So we will electrify other, but let's talk about those. That's a pretty common situation. So you have a deadbolt door which is locked from outside, and from the inside there is a push bar. So at any time you just push bar and door opens. Here you can see it's a roller catch. We need to electrify this door, and here is our solution. So we are using, it's a surface mounted electric strike, ASSA ABLOY, amazing lock. So as some of you knows that UniFi door access hub, enterprise, or just like gate hub, door hub, it actually uses 12 volts. So this lock works with both 24 VDC or 12 VDC. Amazing lock. It's surface mounted, so you don't need to cut frames. You just install it like that. We will show you like how we actually handle installation and wiring, and it just works. Amazing lock. Let's do another very common lock. We see them very often, and in commercial spaces like offices, warehouses, it's very common. So handle, right now it's unlocked, so you can use, basically you can open door from outside and the inside, but you can lock this door so it will be not, so you can't open it basically from the outside, it will be like closed, and this handle will all the time open the door. So it's not electrified for now. As you can see, there is a door, it's a hinge, drilling door through to run wires and installing electrified hinge. So it's a like pass through, so it makes. And that type of lock, we're replacing this mortise lock with electrified version. So as you can see, it's a 2-wire lock, which actually 12 volts, fail secure. You just remove that one, install this one, and put handles, and your door is operating with a UniFi door access system. Let's demonstrate system in action. Okay, so that's already installed reader and our like push bar. So as you can see now, everything is locked. So let's use pin code with temporary created.
Welcome, YesTechie.
Easy, and you can see how surface mounted, everything looks clean and works amazing. And from the inside, you can, let's test it how we, for example, if we are moving, like I said, it's a fail secure lock, so you don't need anything like from inside. You just press the push bar and get out. We prefer, like I said before, we prefer installing fail secure solutions for door access. It makes compliance easier, like fire codes and everything. We did deployments for the churches with a daycare there, and it's a lot of like strict rules how doors needs to be operated. So those push bars, as you can see, it's a very common situation in the facilities like that. So in this ASSA ABLOY 12-volt lock, strike lock, is amazing fit for that type of doors. If you are a business owner or IT professional who is looking to deploy unified door access control system to your business, you can contact us at any time at YesTechie.com. We provide free on-site assessments. Door access control system could be tricky because it's multiple type of doors, and sometimes come up with a right solution which will work and comply properly. It's kind of hard. So for the past 3 years, we met many types of situations and come up with the solutions for any type of doors. So we will be happy to help with your door access control system deployment.
Did you enjoy this video? If you have interesting case study about your product or service, or story about your company that you want to share with the security industry and you want to publish it on our YouTube channel, then listen up. My name is Oleg Bordyan and I'm the founder of Pipl Systems and Pipl companies. Pipl Systems is a media platform for the physical security industry built on principle of free to publish and free to watch. And what does it mean? It means that any professional in the security industry can send us the video or article, and if the material provides real value to integrators, installers, manufacturers, distributors, or even end users of security systems, we will publish it for free on our YouTube channel and website. And if you don't have content yet, or you are not sure how to create it, we will help you too. Our marketing agency Pipl produces professional content end-to-end. We can travel anywhere in the world to film a case study, product review, company presentation, interview, anything that clearly and technically showcases your expertise in the security market. You can use this content in your own marketing, and it will also be featured on Pipl Systems. If you want the industry to hear your story, Pipl Systems and Pipl Leads are here to make it happen.